in the programming process of the admin panel. So in here I am showing the daily earnings of the shop, monthly sellings, total sellings, monthly earning, today's sellings, and total engagement, and also the active time of this e-shop and mostly sold item today and most famous seller today. So inside this admin.php I started the session, both the connection.php and only a logged in admin can see this page. So in here using this session admin user, I concat the first name and the last name of this logged in admin. So here Theshan Weerakkody. After that, here I want the today's date, this month and this year, and I have created 5 global variables. And after that, using database search, I'm going to select everything from invoice table, and if assign this to invoice result set. So using this for loop, I'm going to fetch each results and assign to this invoice data, and then I want the total quantity, and I'm going to assign this to global this f variable, and then I want the invoice date. I'm going to assign this to d variable, and then I want to split this date. Using exploit, I can separate date and time, the date and time, and assign to this split date array. And in this split date 0th element I have the sold date, and I'm going to assign that date to this p date or the product date. And if the p date is equal to today, that means if this p date is equal to today, then I want all the invoice data total, that means the invoice amount, total amount, and assign this a variable, and also the quantity, and assign to the c variable. So using these two variables a and c, I can show the today's sellings and today's sellings and daily earnings. Today's sellings and daily earning, like this. So after that, I want to show monthly earnings. So do that again. I'm going to explode the p date. So using this, I can separate date, year, and month, and assign to split month variable. And then in this split month variable, now this is an array. So in this 0th element, I can get the year and assign to this p year, and I also can get the month. In the first element, I have the month, and then I'm going to assign it to p month. And if p year is equal to this year, and if p month is equal to this month, I want all the quantity and the total in the invoice data and assign it to b and e variable. So that is how I am showing the total earnings and monthly sellings. So after that, I have the total engagement. So I'm going to do a simple search query, select everything from users and assign to this user result set. I'm going to get the number of rows and assign to this user now, and going to show the user. I'm going to echo this variable here. We will get total engagement, only one member. And then I want to show the total active time of this page. So I'm going to create a variable called start date, the day this website started. I'm going to give 2023 6th 10th June 10th, and then I'm going to get the today's date, and after that I'm going to create another variable called end date, and inside this new date time object I am going to give today's date and format it like this. And then using end date different method, I can get the difference between these two dates and assign to this difference variable. Then I'm going to echo the year, days, minutes, months, hours, and seconds. So like this. So this eShop application is 4 months, 27 days, 15 hours, 31 minutes, 51 seconds old. And after that, we have the mostly sold item card. So in this card, I'm going to do a search, select product ID and count the product ID as well. And I want this count product ID as value occurrence from invoice where date, like I'm going to use this wildcard today, group by, I want to group this by product ID and order by value occurrences, and I want this as in descending order and limit 1. So this will give us the today's most sold item, and I'm going to assign it to this FREQ result set. And then if this number of rows is greater than 0, that means this result set exists. From using fetch as of, I'm going to get the frequency data, and then I'm going to show the information using product data title, quantity data, the quantity total, like that. So if this doesn't exist, so if it is equal to 0, I will show this this. So this is the same thing for the most famous seller. So I'm going to go to database, search, select everything from profile image where user's email is equal to product data user's email, and then using profile, I'm going to fetch the data profile result set, profile data using profile result set, fetch as well, and then I'm going to do another search, select everything from users where email is equal to product data user's email, and then get users data. And in here I'm going to show the user's profile, most famous seller's profile, the first name, last name, email and mobile number. If this person doesn't exist, I will show this. So this is all for this video. Thank you for watching.